Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a variety of doll-related things. First, I'm going to unbox these minifashion ball thingies, and then I will be unboxing these two Hairmazing dolls, and then I'll be trying their clothes on rainbowhighdolls. But first, I'll be doing these minifashion balls. So let's do that. Okay, so I've gotten the minifashions unboxed, so I will show you what I got. In the first one, I got these things. As you can see, there's a sticker of a pretty red purse, and then the bag is an interesting style. It's green, as you can tell. It has a working zipper, which I really like, and there's tissue in there for the shape, I guess. I'm not entirely sure why it has this weird knot thing there, but I kind of like the color of it. And then it came with this little jewelry box thingy that inside has a watch that is a metallic, and it comes out, and I've just dropped it. So, one moment. Oops. Okay, so picked up the watch and hit my face on the side of my scissors, but now it's back and everything's fine. But here it is. It's kind of hard to see because of light reflections. There, you can kind of see the details better now. There's no numbers on it, so I'm not really sure what time it is saying, but that's that thing. And then there's this little drink. I think I'm not in frame. Okay, there. So I think those little beads in there, it's supposed to be like a boba. I kind of like it. I think it's fun. And then it has this bracelet here that is metallic-y gold. I don't know if it's gonna fit rainbow high or not, so I'm going to grab one of mine to see fit well. So I'm gonna try it on Sabrina because she's a gold outfit. Does it fit? It does. So the minifashion jewelry does in fact fit rainbow high. This bracelet's kind of blending in with her skin a bit, so I think I might end up moving it to someone else later. For now, I'm gonna leave it on since you probably don't want to watch me mess with bracelets. And in the second one, it came with, hold on. So it came with this sticker here of a pink bag, as you can see. And then it came with this purse. It does not have a zipper. It has this little heart charm. Oh, and this, oh, it's like a little, what would this be? I'm not sure what this is. I'm trying to remember what it's called. I think like a wallet, and it has a nice, like how it has the real like chain. I think this is probably actually metal. I don't know. But it came with that. And it came with some headphones, which are not going to fit on rainbow high. It's pretty obvious. These thingies do rotate, which is fun. I like the spikes. Then you have this little wallet thingy on a chain that opens, and there's little printed in pockets. And then this one came with a dog that is wearing lots of bows. It looks like it has weird cracks there. I'm not sure what, this is all in weird light. It has those cracks there, and I'm not really sure what they're for. But so that's all the minifashion stuff. So next, I will be unboxing these Hairmazings. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so here they are out of box. This one here, as you can tell, is wearing kind of a casual outfit. She has slippers on, and her feet are rubber banded together. I did not see that. Hold on while I get the rubber band off. But as you can tell, they're not just slippers, but they're high-heeled slippers. And I'm not really sure why anybody would want to wear high-heeled slippers. Or maybe they're just like fuzzy high heels, I don't know. Then the skirt here is actually the main reason why I wanted her, because it matches one of Crystal Bailey's shirts and the shadowhigh boots. And then the shirt here I'm not a huge fan of. Her hair color is pretty. Reminds me of the Rainbow High doll Daphne I think, the turquoise one from Series 3, or not turquoise, mint, I guess. So that is this one. You can tell her makeup. Her eyes kind of match her hair. She has semi-noticeable cheeks if you look closely, but they're not that noticeable. This girl here, her cheeks are very noticeably pink with hearts, and I'm going to probably try removing those with something that removes paint. Then her hair is this pretty purple. The only place where these purple streaks are is on her weird little thingy at the top of her head. I'm not really sure what is up with that style. It's kind of weird. And then her dress is also the kind of the main reason why I wanted her, because it's pretty. And I think it would look good on Haley, the Rainbow High doll. This girl has molded on tights that are a shimmery purple, purpley pink. And her shoes are also heels, and they're pretty. One thing with these shoes and the other girl's shoes is the details are all just one color. There's no like other colors, which is kind of sad, I guess, disappointing. And anyway, that's all on these dolls. I think I'm going to take out their hair and brush it, and then I will get into the who I'm going to try their clothes on. Okay, so I also took off their clothes, and clearly I did not learn from unboxing people for Party of Twyla that when you brush curly hair, it gets frizzy. So I'm probably gonna, after this filming this video, I'm probably gonna go give them that hot water treatment to make their hair straight and not a disaster. So they're gonna go out of camera now because they're no longer part of this video. And now I'm going to be trying on these clothes on dolls. So this skirt is gonna go on the current doll wearing the shadowhigh boots and Crystal Bailey's shirt, which is Margot, who I have renamed Pearl. You might remember that from my tour of my Rainbow High house video. And then this is going to go on Haley, as I mentioned earlier, and I also renamed her Aqua, if you remember. I think that's what I said her name was. I might have forgotten. So I'm going to get into trying those clothes on, so I'm going to be doing that. Okay, so the clothes are on them. So first I will show you Margot. So this matches the rest of her clothes perfectly. It's actually the same material as this, but not as the shirt, but that doesn't matter. And when I was putting it on, I was a bit worried it wasn't gonna like fit over her butt, because some clothes don't do that. But it fit fine, and she looks good. And then with Haley, the dress fits pretty well. This part does not fit around her neck, because her neck is just a tiny bit too wide. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do, either remove this part or figure out a way to make it stick, I don't know. And then out of curiosity, I decided to try on the shoes, and they actually fit like almost perfectly. So the Hairmazing dolls at Walmart have shoes and clothes for Rainbow High dolls, if you want to view it that way. So anyway, that is the outfits for them, and I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to go watch other videos of mine, that would be great. And bye.